Find first element in a sequence that matches a predicate. I want an idiomatic way to find the first element in a list that matches a predicate. The current code is quite ugly. I've thought about changing it too. But there must be something more elegant. And it would be nice if it returns a none value rather than raise an exception if no match is found. I know I could just define a function like but it is quite tasteless to start filling the code with utility functions like this, and people will probably not notice that they are already there, so they tend to be repeated over time, if there are built-ins that already provide the same.
To find the first element in a sequence set that matches a predicate, or simply Python 2, Python 3, these will raise a stop iteration exception if the predicate does not match for any element. To return none if there is no such element. Or
you could use a generator expression with a default value and then next it. Although for this one-liner you need to be using Python is greater than or equal to 2.6. This rather popular article further discusses this issue. Cleanest Python find and list function?
I don't think there's anything wrong with either solutions you proposed in your question. In my own code, I would implement it like this though. The syntax with creates a generator, which is more efficient than generating all the lists at once with.
JF Sebastian's answer is most elegant but requires Python 2.6 as Fortran pointed out. For Python version is lower than 2.6, here's the best I can come up with. Alternatively, if you needed a list later, list handles the stop iteration, or you needed more than just the first but still not all, you can do it with isLice. Update. Although I am personally using a predefined function called first that catches a stop iteration and returns none, here's a possible improvement over the above example: avoid using filter, iFilter.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.